Hello and thank you for joining me today. It's Jez here from nigezza.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I'm here today with another video that's showcasing this lovely Joyous Noel DSP. It really is absolutely stunning. So you get 2 sheets of each of these 12 by 12s. One side is got this copper foiling in it and the other side doesn't, but they are beautiful patterns, and some of these you could use all year round. Doesn't necessarily, those 4 doesn't necessarily have to be Christmas. Okay, and likewise on this side you could get away with these 3 not being Christmas. These 3 pretty much are Christmas. And I'm doing a paper share at the moment with all of the papers from the Autumn catalogue and the ribbon as well. So if you link on the blog link down below, I'll make sure there's a link to the original post, or if you just search my blog or search my YouTube channel, because I did tell you all about it on that as well. Okay, so you may have seen the video where I've used the DSP to make these cards. So I've cut card mat sizes out of these, and you'd get 6 of these out of each sheet of DSP, and you'd get 3 out of the piece that you get in the card share. But today I'm doing this. I made this one, so I'm going to do 2 more that are variation on this theme. So that's using that lovely tranquil tide one with the beautiful bit of copper foiling there, and that's the lovely sentiment from the Merry Christmas to You stamp set, which is the one that has the matching dies, that has the Merry Christmas that I used in the other card. And I have finished it off with, on the inside, using that flourish there and that saying there, and you'll notice that the pictures on the front are shown at 70% smaller. No, it's 70%, 30% smaller, so it's 70% of the size, so they are much bigger. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I've done that. I've done the prepping already, so I'm going to do a version of that a little bit differently. So I'm using this sheet for it, and as you can see, in my usual frugal way, I've cut out that scalloped oval from the centre of this card so as not to waste cardstock and save a few pennies where you can, and then you've got some extra to spend at Christmas on other things. So that is simply my layers that I normally do, and then I've used the layering ovals to cut these 2. So I've used the largest oval and the second largest scalloped oval and the second largest plain oval to get that, and then it's just a matter of sticking it all together. It's really that quick and that simple. And I have popped this up on dimensionals. 1 layer of dimensionals will go through ordinary post in the UK. Add any more and you'll end up large letter. So if you're like me and send lots and lots of Christmas cards at Christmas, you want to make sure they go ordinary post, don't you? I always think it's a shame people are sending less and less Christmas cards. I know it's cost, and I know that I sometimes have a mild heart attack when I take my cards, because I do send a lot to the post office. But they are lovely to receive, and we have so many people that actually that's our only contact at Christmas. We send them a card. Not necessarily send them a birthday card, but we send them a Christmas card. and they're lovely decorations, and I really like receiving handmade cards, and every Christmas card I send is a handmade one. Hence why I've been making Christmas cards all year, because I probably give away 120 maybe. I've not actually counted them, but I'm probably around that amount. So yeah, so I started making Christmas cards in January. My idea was to do one a week, and then I'd have over 50 by the time Christmas came along. So I've like broken the back of it, and I have actually been stepping it up now, knowing that during this time I'd be making quite a lot for videos, so I'd probably be doing more than one a week at this time of the year. Matter of fact, I think I've made about 15 this week alone. May the beauty of the season fill your heart with joy. What a lovely saying. I like that. There we go, just eyeballing that to be in the centre and straight. So there we go. And then for this one, I've gone slightly different. I really love that paper. I'm using the Merry Christmas from the mistletoe season, smaller scallop circle. I've cut a few snowflakes there out of that layer there. So we've got a Merry Merlot card base. There's a fly. Don't know if that was noticeable on camera. This paper is stunning. So I'm just going to stick that lot together, and then I'm going to use the snowflakes behind to give it a little bit of extra something. Such a beautiful colour, I do love it. So I'm just thinking about where they're going. And then I'm going to stick that on there. I just want some dimensionals for the back of this. don't know where my big ones are. So I'll just put a couple of little ones on. And then get them off. There we go. And that's just going in there. So that is my Christmas cards. So that one with the snowflakes, that one with the simple saying, and then there's that one that's heat embossed. So hope you like those. All the details, as usual, will be on my blog, nigezza.co.uk, and if you want to take part in the paper share or just buy any of the products, then you can go and visit my shop and I'd be delighted to be your Stamping Up demonstrator. Okay, see you again soon.